What's shaping the future of automation right now? The latest issue of Automation.com Monthly is here, the May 2026 annual trends issue, bringing together the ideas, technologies, and market shifts defining the next era of industrial innovation. In this special issue, readers get a closer look at the most important trends influencing automation today, from digital transformation and industrial AI to smarter operations, connected systems, and the evolving priorities of modern manufacturing. Whether you're an engineer, plant manager, system integrator, or industry leader, this issue delivers valuable perspective on where the market is headed and what it means for your business. Explore expert insights, industry analysis, and forward-looking coverage designed to help you stay informed, stay competitive, and stay ahead. Click the M icon on the Automation.com homepage to read the latest issue of Automation.com Monthly and subscribe today at Automation.com. Automation.com, your trusted source for the fast-changing world of automation.